Hi everyone, Griniflix, no. Hi everyone, Peter Zellum's Griniflix Adventure 8. I found myself a bit of a corner here in the harbour, away from everyone and anyone and any traffic, so in a safe zone. Alright, well, what's the video about today? I did a video earlier, you might see back there, on some of the old Nikon Nikkor AIS lenses, in the days when they used to make zooms that pushed and pulled out and you could then focus and whatever. It was on the 28 and 50mm lens. There'll be a link there somewhere. Anyway, I've got another one here, and this is the 35-105 zoom push pull type AIS manual lens, like this. Push and pull. 105, 35, 105, 35. What's so special about this lens is that it's got close focus as well. Magnification ratio of up to 1 to 1.4 and about 1 to 1.6, I think. Okay, so what have I noticed about this particular lens? Well, it is versatile. You can actually focus right down to about 0.3 meters when you're using the macro ring here, this additional ring. However, if you're not using that, then the minimum focus is 1.4 meters, which is actually quite long. So then you just got to go through this extra process of actually using the macro function, which will then focus you down to 0.3. It's just something you have to get used to. The lens is quite firm, so if you position it, it sort of doesn't move. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's nice and smooth. Of course, it does depend on the condition of the lens. This one I've had since new, so I'm afraid to say that it's over 30 years old. Okay, being 3.5, when I first got this lens, I found, for the film that I was using, which was Kodachrome 64, I found this lens to be quite slow because it's f3.5. I was used to using f1.8 and f1.4 type lenses, and now I'm actually finding this lens to be more useful because of digital bodies, and the ISO dynamic range of digital cameras are so great. All in all, I think the lens is pretty good. I'll include some pricing. I'll have do a bit of a search on eBay, Amazon, wherever, and find some pricing for this lens, see how much it costs. I know in the past, like about a year or so ago, when I was looking at lenses, fixed focal length lenses, these always seem to come up quite cheap. Be interesting to see how that is now. But anyway, I'll include some pricing. I'll take some photographs around the harbour as usual, and then I'll review the photographs with you. Enjoy the show. I'm using the Nikon D700. It's got a coupling ring. Now, the good thing about the coupling ring, it lets you use the old AIS lenses, and then it coordinates all the metadata, so you get to keep the metadata. When you go into Lightroom, you can see what aperture you use and the corresponding shutter speed, etc. You can still use these old AIS lenses on other Nikon bodies that don't have the coupling ring or the Z system. It just means that the metadata may not be recorded. That's all it is. Otherwise, it's still fully functional. The whole size, it's not too bad size, I suppose, for a 105mm lens. I guess it's 3.5, and that's why it's not so big as such. It's balanced quite well. It's easy to hang around the neck, the D700 with the lens. I hope you found this video interesting, some of these old lenses, and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. If it's the first time to my channel, then do subscribe. Press subscribe, press notifications, and when the next video comes out, you will be notified. Alright, well, better get on with my exercise and start thinking about, well, what the next video should be, will be, could be. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing, thanks for your likes, and we'll see you next time on the next video. Cheers, bye.